Hello guys, so today I'm going to be folding my pickelhaube, spiked helmet. Someone requested it and this is what I came up with. It's a pretty simple model, but this is one part right here, the folding part that might be a little tricky to fold. It's okay. And guys, please check out my other video as well. And please consider subscribing, okay? So, first you need a square sheet paper. I'm going to use just a normal size paper today because I want to show the part here. And I have the strip of paper that cut out to demonstrate a little bit further. Okay, so first you want to fold it in half. So ready to fold it right here to make the square, and you want to fold the other side in half as well. Okay, like so. You want to unfold like that, and you want to bring these two corners right here to that center point right here. Okay, same thing on this side as well. Okay, and now you're going to bring these two edges also to that center line. Okay, just like so. Same thing on this side as well. Oops, make sure you hold on to that triangle because it might slide out. Okay, and now you're going to unfold those two flaps. Don't unfold the triangle. Then you're going to fold this back like this. So fold the whole thing in half, just like that. Okay, so this is going to be the front of the helmet, and here's the back of the helmet. Okay, and now you're going to kind of fold this in half together. So you want to bring these two edges right here on the side to this front edge right here. So fold the first edge to the front and unfold, then fold the other edge to the front as well. Okay, then you want to unfold and kind of fold this together like so. Okay, like so. So of course it's going to be the spike right here. And now you want to fold this edge right here to this crease line in the center right here. Okay, so bring this edge right up to that crease line right there. Make a good crease. Okay, and then you're going to sink this piece right inside. Okay, so unfold, then you want to open up this area just a little bit so you can see this crease line right here, this here. Okay, so fold the side crease line right there, and fold this bottom crease line like so, and then fold the other side as well. Okay, then you see the center crease line, fold that down, and kind of rest will follow. So fold the rest of the crease line right here. Okay, so it should look like this. And now you see this crease line right here. Okay, bring this whole thing back using that crease line and stop at this crease line on the side. Okay, and then you want to bring the side close down on the side as well. Okay, where this crease line is. Okay, same thing on this side as well. So you see this crease line right here. Fold that crease line back right up to this side crease line right here. Stop right there, and then fold the rest. Fold this edge inside as well. Okay. Okay, and now you see this triangle right here where the spike should be. You want to open up the area right here and fold this corner up to the front edge. Okay, so bring that forward and then fold that down like so. Okay, so now that triangle is hidden. Same thing on this side as well. So you want to unfold and you see that corner. Fold that up to this front edge here. Okay, so bring that corner back and fold that down like so. And then you see this triangle right here. You want to bring that corner right up to that center point right here where that crosses, and fold that down like so. And then you want to bring this side edges to the center line. Okay, so flip it over and fold that right up to the center. Okay, and next, here's the hard part. Okay, so now you're going to kind of zigzag fold right around where the spike is. Okay, so gonna make this side straight and the outside bent like this. Okay, so same thing here. Okay, and same thing on the front side. So longer side is the back side, and the shorter side is the front. Or if you look at the spike, if you see that slant, or you see this slant, this is the back side, and without the slant is the front side. Okay, same thing here. So zigzag fold right here. And right here as well. maybe a little bit. So now, this is gonna be the hard part. So you have to fold this on the inside, okay? So if you look right here, okay, let me demonstrate on this strip of paper. So if you have it like that, right? So it's folded up like this now. So you reached out on the inside, and you gotta fold up these crease lines. So fold that triangle, then fold this down, and you gotta fold it down like this, okay? Okay, so let me try again here. So we folded it up like this, and you reach inside and fold up the crease line that we just folded, okay? Yeah, or you can kind of do that, kind of fold it, and it's gonna be hard to reach around, so you can just squish it down just afterward. Okay, so let's try this out. Okay, so you're going to open this up and fold up the crease line. Okay, then fold it back down, just like that. And same thing here. Open this up, fold the crease line down. It's gonna be a little hard if you don't know what you're doing. So yeah. Or you can fold it and kind of squish it down. So same thing on this side. So you want to open up that area and kind of fold that inside, then fold it back down. And same thing on the other side. So open this up, kind of fold that in, okay? It's a little messy, but you get the point. Okay, and now you see these corners right here. You want to fold those corners inside. Okay, just like that. Same thing here, back. And now you want to give them a little curve. Kind of shape out the helmet. Just like that. Okay. And now you see this spike. See this triangle right here? These corners. You're gonna fold this triangle down where these corners are here. And like a paper airplane, you're going to bring this top edge to the center line. Okay, and once more, you want to fold these two edges to the center line. Okay, and open this up and fold it flat, and fold this up and fold fold this piece in half. Okay, and here's the helmet. It's a little messy, didn't do that well, but here. So yeah, thank you for watching and have a great day.